Wilwood, Wilwood, Wilwood. Get your Wilwood here. Step right up. Wilwood for everybody. We got rotors, we got hats, we got calipers, we got pads, we got brake lines, we got all the Wilwood components that you need right here at Hutch's Welding. Got a bunch of Wilwood goodies for the super square body, I guess you can call it. It's on Super Duty axles, so we got a complete front and rear Super Duty brake kit for it. So let's check out what we got. Shit, horsepower. Big, beefy. Come here, get a closer look. Come on. Ooh, look at the size of that, huh? That's a big, beefy caliper. So in case you guys are wondering, this is actually their raw finish or their anodized finish. It's a little bit cheaper than their black or red or custom color coated options. You know, it's still protected. It's just like a raw anodized, I guess you can say. I want to get to the juicy stuff. Like a pizza pie, eh? Yeah. We got cheese or pepperoni. Hello. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Damn. Pow! Wow. Wow. Brake pads, calipers. Look at that, man. Nice big drum. I believe this is for the rear, so you just still is able to use the parking brake. So that's nice. Nice. Front rotor. What size is this? Let's put some stuff together. All right, guys, there you have it. Nice big, extra big ass brake upgrade. So this is a Super Duty brake kit, so pretty much fit most Super Duties, if not all of them. Big rotors, big calipers. This is obviously on a custom build utilizing Super Duty axles. You got some Super Duty axles? Highly recommend some nice big ass brakes. If you guys have any questions about Wilwood products, feel free to contact us. We are a dealer for them, so we're a big supporter. They make awesome products, all kinds of products for all kinds of applications. See you next time.